When you become a homeowner, it doesn't take long to realize all of the essentials you need to keep your house organized and functional. Within 1 week of moving into our new place, I realized really quickly that we would need a small tool set at least to be able to build new furniture and manage small renovations. That was something we never worried about as renters. Today, I want to share a list of 8 items you need as a first-time homebuyer, just in case you're about to make the transition from renting to owning. Number 1, you need stuff to cover all types of emergencies. Although it's essential to have an emergency plan no matter where you live, when you become a homeowner, this plan needs to become a lot more thorough. So put together an emergency plan that includes detailed information about where you store important belongings and where shutoff valves are located within the home. Once you have an emergency plan, you should also have an emergency kit or a survival kit. That's a bag that's filled with things that you would need in any type of emergency that you can just grab and go. And since we're on the topic of safety and health, there are 3 essential things that every homeowner needs: a carbon monoxide detector, a smoke alarm, and a fire extinguisher. Next up, you need a lot of cleaning supplies. Of course, you'll need the tools to get the job done, like a broom or a vacuum cleaner, but keep in mind that you may also want to add some sustainable home cleaning products, such as reusable cleaning cloths, to your shopping list. Not only are you being environmentally friendly, but it will also help reduce your costs long term. As a new homeowner, you will quickly realize that your stuff that you own or that you start to buy will accumulate really quickly. For me, it was when my parents came and dropped off 4 boxes of things I had from high school. To keep yourself organized and sane, it's a really good idea to purchase some good storage solutions. That way everything will be easily accessible, easy to find, and it will look really nice as well. If you're like me, when you were a renter, you probably just kept whatever kitchen utensils lying around you had from college or that you had as hand-me-downs from your parents. When you become a homeowner, you might want to make the transition to some new utensils for your kitchen so that those tools can start the journey of homeownership with you. As I briefly mentioned in the beginning of this video, everyone should have a thorough or comprehensive toolkit. You want to make sure that you have a hammer, nails, a screwdriver, a level, and maybe some renovation items like plaster, just in case there's a hole in the wall that you need to fill. The last thing that you're going to need as a new homeowner is a security system of any kind. At the very least, you should always make sure that you change the locks on all the doors and windows when you first move in. But for more safety measures, you can consider a smart home security system that you manage yourself, or you can go all out and hire a professional to install and monitor your security system for you. And that's it. Once you have those 8 very essential things, you can really start to feel like you're a homeowner. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You should head to zolo.ca/news for tons of awesome content for any first-time home buyer, and you can browse zolo.ca for your next home. Have a great week, and we'll see you next month. Bye!